guys, and welcome back to the Milk and Blush channel. So today we're sharing with you everything you need to know about our Volumizer Wefts. These are single wefts that you can use to refresh your current set or to add some extra volume. They're also great for adding a little extra thickness to your hair if you don't want to go for a full set, but you'll need to get it trimmed to your current length. For this video, Rian's going to clip in her 20 to 22 inch Volumizer Weft in the shade Love This Feeling. You need to clip it in on the widest point of your head, which is around mid-ear level. If you find that it's a little wide for you, then be sure to take a curved section to create more room. As you can see, the Volumizer adds loads of extra thickness through the length of the hair, making it look really healthy. To show you how versatile the Volumizer Weft can be, Rian's going to create some quick curls using the Cloud9 wand. If this isn't your vibe, then make sure to check out our other videos for loads of gorgeous looks you can create using your Milk and Blush hair extensions. As you can see, the Volumizer Weft has helped to add just enough thickness through the lengths and ends of Rian's hair to give her a really healthy, glossy finish. If you need any more tips or advice on the Volumizer Weft, then be sure to let us know in the comments and we can help you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.